Nobody wants to deal with dental problems, but even those who follow a diligent routine of brushing, flossing, and regular checkups can still find themselves in some tooth troubles, which is no fun at all. While many dental problems can be treated at home, others may turn into red flags of something more serious going on. And that is when a visit to the dentist is in order. So how do you know if you can treat your suffering smile at home versus when do you need to go to the dentist for help?
Hello, I'm Dr. William Park with Bless Smile and Smile on You Dentistry.
Today we will be talking about the 5 most common dental problems and their solutions. Number 1, bad breath. Sure, this can be related to having a salad with a little bit too much onion, or maybe you were a little bit heavy-handed with the garlic. But when you experience bad breath on a regular basis, not only can it be embarrassing, but it can also be a sign that there are some bigger problems that are brewing. Medically known as halitosis, bad breath can occur for a number of different reasons, not just what you had for lunch. Rinsing your mouth out with water or mouthwash, chewing sugar-free gum, or popping in a mint can be a temporary fix for you. But still, if this bad breath is persisting, determining the underlying cause is important to establish a long-term solution and avoid other more serious issues down the road. Number 2, plaque. There's no getting around it. When the bacteria in your mouth meet the sugar and starches in the food and drinks we consume, a sticky film called plaque can develop around your teeth. Although it's true that we can't prevent the plaque from developing, we can do something about what happens next. If left untouched, the plaque will form a little bit of a fuzzy sweater or a coating around your teeth. This buildup can form harsh acid, which can be damaging to your teeth. And if left untouched, it will turn into tartar, which can destroy your tooth enamel, cause cavities, or can even result in gum disease. Can you guess the best way to prevent the plaque from building up and piling up around your teeth? If you guessed brushing and flossing, you got it. Number 3, tooth discoloration. There are many reasons why your tooth can get discolored. It can be due to aging, medications that you are taking, genetics, smoking, and drinking coffee, just to name a few. Obviously, we can't help getting old, and you can't exactly choose your genetics or your parents either. But you can try to avoid foods and drinks that are stain-causing. You can refrain from smoking, and you can also invest in over-the-counter whitening products. If these efforts, along with a good oral hygiene routine, still do not seem to be returning your teeth to their pearly whites that you had, it may be a good time to see your dentist to see if these stains are actually an underlying sign of some kind of dental problem. Number 4, bleeding gums. While brushing your teeth is very necessary to keep the health of your teeth and gums, it can be also possible to put a little bit too much pressure when you are brushing. Brushing or flossing too aggressively can irritate your gums. So one way to deal with this is just to put a little less muscle in when you are doing your oral hygiene routine. Make sure you are brushing and flossing very thoroughly, but make sure you are being very gentle with it. Bleeding gums can also be a sign that the plaque is accumulating around the gum line, and this can lead to inflammation, tenderness, and also your gums to bleed. So again, when you are brushing your teeth, make sure you brush right along the gum line, but do so very thoroughly but gently. Like some of the other dental problems that we spoke about, bleeding gums can also indicate a larger issue going on. So if you've had the bleeding going on for a while, make sure to visit your dentist to see what is going on. Number 5, tooth sensitivity. If you've been avoiding hot drinks or foods, or if your smile turned into a frown after taking a bite of some cold ice cream, you know very well that tooth sensitivity is not a very good time. Teeth can get sensitive for a number of different reasons, including brushing too hard, like we just spoke about. It can also be related to having too much acidic foods or drinks. Grinding or clenching on your teeth will also contribute, as can harsh whitening products. It could also be that you have a damaged tooth or filling, which is exposing the underlying nerves of your tooth, and that is a problem that should be fixed ASAP. Gum issues can also often cause sensitivity. This is another situation that does need some quick attention to it. Try using a soft bristled toothbrush very gently. Use a night guard if you already have one to avoid any grinding or clenching you may be doing. Take a break from your attempts to whiten your teeth and try some less acidic snacks like cheese or yogurt. If these don't seem to be doing the trick, again, make sure to see your dentist. Knowing the reason behind your tooth sensitivity will help you to treat it and finally get rid of it. So while it's not uncommon to have the occasional dental pain or dental issue, taking preventative measures can definitely lower your risk of getting any kind of dental problems. Practice good oral hygiene with your brushing and flossing. Eat healthy and limit the amount of sugary beverages and snacks that you have during the day. You can try some of the at-home remedies that we've talked about in this video, but keep a careful eye on it. If the problems are bothering you for a very long time, definitely reach out to your dentist to see exactly what is going on. If you're in the Orange County area, we would love to have you come into our dental office for a consultation. We will answer your dental health questions, help determine what is causing your dental problems, and then we can provide a treatment plan to address any kind of dental issues that we may be seeing. Even the smallest dental problems can quickly snowball into much bigger dental problems, so make sure not to let that happen to you. Schedule your appointment by visiting smileonyouDentistry.com. Thank you for watching.